we're going to do detached chain stitch, which is also the daisy stitch. Bring our needle to the front of the cloth. Okay, back to the same hole. Right, at the same time, let's pick up some part of the cloth. Oops. So we're going into the same hole, and at the same time pick up a bit of the cloth. Okay, and this thread to go underneath. Now pull this up, but not too tight, so that you can see a bit of loop over here. We usually use this for petals, okay, daisy petals. And in the very next hole after the loop, all right, just bring our needle to the back of the cloth, and here you go. Let's do another. Let's bring this up. Okay, back to the same hole. Let's pick up some, let's do a wider one. Okay, make sure that the thread is underneath the needle. Not too tight. Okay, we just want to see a small little loop in between. If ever, by accident, everything is too tight, okay, you can pull it a bit. See, this is one petal. And for the next petal, you can do the same. Back into the same hole. Okay, come on after a small distance. Put this thread underneath. Again, not too hard, not too tight. And go one hole after that stitch. So you have two loops here. Okay, here is where I'll use daisy stitch, precisely on the daisy flower. Right? So the same hole, create a loop. Okay, back in the same hole. There. Seem to be a little stuck there. Okay, leave the little loop. Right? The needle through this loop. Oops. This needle through this loop here. Okay, not too tightly. Right, show a little gap, and then go back to the same hole. Seal the loop. Now, see this? Okay, you want it a little tighter. Here you go, daisy petals, daisy stitch.